Hey everyone, the HP StarBook Pro 13 2025 marks a significant step forward in compact laptop design, delivering a refined blend of performance, portability, and modern AI-focused computing. Aimed at professionals and students alike, this lightweight notebook combines cutting-edge internals with a sleek, durable build, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go users who don't want to compromise on power. At its core, the StarBook Pro 13 is powered by AMD's latest Ryzen AI 7 H350 processor. The processor also includes a Radeon 860M GPU based on the RDNA 3.5 architecture, a figure that signals serious capability for modern AI-assisted applications, creative tasks, and intelligent system functions. Paired with the CPU is 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory. This is dual-channel memory, soldered for maximum efficiency and speed. Complementing this is a fast and spacious 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, providing ample room for software, documents, and multimedia projects. One of the standout features is its 13.3-inch 2.5K display. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a 16:10 aspect ratio, it offers excellent screen real estate for productivity. The panel supports 100% of the sRGB color gamut and reaches a peak brightness of 400 nits. HP has equipped the StarBook Pro 13 with a 5-megapixels IR camera capable of Windows Hello facial recognition for fast, secure logins. It also supports AI-enhanced features such as automatic white balance adjustments and background blurring, making it well-suited for video calls in varying environments. In terms of connectivity, the laptop covers a wide range of modern standards. It includes 2 full-function USB-C ports that support data, display, and charging, alongside a 10 gigabits per second USB-A port and a 5 gigabits per second USB-A port. HDMI 2.1 provides output to external displays, and there's also a 3.5mm combo audio jack. Despite its powerful internals, the laptop maintains an impressively slim 16.5mm profile and weighs just 1.02 kilograms. The chassis is made from a magnesium aluminum alloy, which not only keeps it light but also adds a level of durability and premium feel that's often lacking in many other ultrabooks. Battery life is equally impressive. Based on the MM25 benchmark, it can last up to 11.75 hours on a single charge. When power is needed quickly, the device supports 100-watt USB-C power delivery fast charging. Pre-installed with Windows 11 and Microsoft Office Home Edition, the StarBook Pro 13 is ready for work right out of the box. It also comes with HP's eCare service package for added support. Priced at around $970, the 2025 HP StarBook Pro 13 positions itself as a premium, AI-enhanced ultrabook that doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well, especially for those who value speed, efficiency, and portability in a reliable daily driver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.